Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
Chairman Governing Board of the Niger Delta Development Commission (NDDC), Lauretta Onochie, says the commission under her watch will continue to adopt a balanced approach in developing largely backward communities in the Niger Delta. Onochie gave the assurance when members of the Ijaw community in AKUGHA and Northern Region paid her a courtesy visit at the Commission's corporate headquarters in Port Harcourt.
Members of Ijaw community in AKUGHA and Northern Region were at the corporate headquarters of the Niger Delta Development Commission (NDDC) recently in Port Harcourt to express their solidarity with the chairman of the governing board, Lauretta Onochie, and other members of the board. Chairman of the Ijaw community in AKUGHA, Alagba Ehifenowe, while expressing gratitude to President Muhammadu Buhari for finding Lauretta Onochie worthy of piloting affairs of NDDC, said they were confident that she would change the narrative of poverty, insecurity, and underdevelopment in the Niger Delta. Members of the group used the opportunity to call on NDDC board to initiate more women empowerment schemes, a move they believe would reduce the level of poverty in the oil-rich region.
In our own country today, we see women going about embarking on illegal bunkering just for survival. We want all that to stop. We want the job women to be engaged in a meaningful activity by embarking on a vocational training that will help them to achieve something very, very important in life.
In a response, Chairman of the NDDC Governing Board said the Commission had already mapped out sustainable empowerment programs for both women and youth and would roll them out in the coming days.
The vision of this board is not just to empower people, particularly women and youth, but to make sure that the empowerment yields fruit. The days of throwing money at people, those days are over. When we empower people, when we draw out our empowerment programs, it's something we will follow up to make sure that they begin to yield fruit.
In a related development, Lauretta Onochie has assured NDDC contractors who have successfully completed their projects that the Commission was working out modalities to offset debts owed them. Onochie gave the assurance when she received the Association of NDDC Contractors in her office.
We are working assiduously hard. It's been really difficult given that the whole nation has been thrown into politics at the time. So, but give us a bit of time. You will get your money once it has been judged and proven that you have done your job and you have done it according to specification. You will get paid.
The contractors, while thanking the NDDC chairman for her concern, promised to continue to support the board and management of NDDC to succeed where their predecessors failed.
Everybody comes with his own mindset and with what they intend to achieve. But most importantly, this board that has come right now, I believe they will listen.
In recent years, the NDDC has had to contend with paucity of funds to execute and implement projects and programs designed to aid development in the Niger Delta. To overcome this challenge, the current board is pushing for the release of funds realized from statutory contributions of oil companies by the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission (EFCC). The new NDDC board is also exploring a public-private partnership model in infrastructure development in a bid to accelerate the pace of development in the region.
Inside the Niger Delta,